Hi, this is Darlene, Avery Lane shop girl. One of the things that I think is the most important part of designing is bringing some texture and some color and some va-va-voom into a piece. And we do it all here at Avery Lane with pillows. We have this very neutral, plain, white, armless sofa, and we brought in multiple colors and textures, and it really brings this sofa alive. We have pillows throughout the showroom, and I want to show you some great couches and how we made them come alive with pillows. Who doesn't love a very special, unique piece in the color of chartreuse? I love this little, I guess it's a day bed or just kind of a little resting couch. And we brought in these patterned pillows, and they actually kind of mute the lime, the chartreuse color, and really bring it some life. I love the color orange. It's bright and sunny and happy, and I love the way we brought some life to this very contemporary, sleek white sofa with these great orange pillows. And of course, we pulled it together with the armchairs and a little contrasting orange pillow here. And then of course, one of the things that everybody loves here at Avery Lane is we have these special kind of designer trays. And if you just put that on your coffee table, it pulls the whole look together. If you look in any edition of Architectural Digest, you're going to see zebra hide. And I love putting it together on a very neutral sofa and just giving it some of that va-va-voom. White and black is very current right now, and I like white and black and just a subtle wheat or gray color. It kind of warms it all up. So we did it on this sofa, and then with this great coffee table, we put a white and black tray, and then we have these accent chairs that have a lot of detail on them. They're black and wheat, and it just pulls that whole look together. It's not cold or forbidding, it's very warm and inviting. I love this textural, kind of a nubby sectional. It's got a lot of detail in it, just in a neutral color. And then we brought in these subtle rust colors, and they have some texture and some really, really special pattern. We have some great pillow racks here at Avery Lane, so you can take any of our sectionals, grab the pillows off. I want to show you those pillow racks really quick. So this is our big pillow rack over in Avery Lane 2, and the designers are pulling things in and out of here all day long. I love these cheetah pillows. They can go on just about anything. So if you're in here looking at a sofa and you're trying to see if it'll match with your house, I always suggest flipping the pillows out and taking a look here and seeing if you can pull a different palette into your sofa. And here's our giant pillow rack. We have this back in Avery Lane 1. Lots of different colors, different patterns, and they really can make your house come alive. The other thing great about pillows is you can change them out seasonally, and you kind of make, go with blue in the summer and then go with kind of a rust or a red in the fall, and it really makes your house come alive. So come see all of these beautiful pillows here at Avery Lane in Scottsdale, Arizona.